Today, I'll show you how to skyrocket your YouTube channel. Let's talk about how you can grow your channel from scratch to getting thousands of views in just 1 month. These strategies are simple but powerful, and they really work if you stick with them. The power of a great idea. It all starts with the right idea. Think about what kind of videos your audience loves to watch. What catches their attention? What keeps them coming back? Look at Slick7, for example. His editing is simple, yet he gets tons of views. Why? It's because his content ideas are smart. Now, you can do the same. Go to his channel and find his most viewed video from the past month. Watch it and ask yourself, why did this go viral? Then, take that concept and make something even better with your unique twist. If you put in the effort, your chances of going viral increase a lot. The art of storytelling. A good story can turn an okay video into something unforgettable. People connect with stories because they make your content feel real and relatable. When making a video, imagine joy. You can ask yourself, would I enjoy watching this? Should I stay till the end? Would I scroll away? If the answer isn't clear, work on improving your content. Keep it exciting, surprising, or emotional. Anything that keeps people hooked. The importance of quality. People won't stick around for videos that look or sound bad, no matter how good the editing. Imagine watching something with blurry visuals and muffled audio. You click away, right? Now think about a video that has clear visuals, smooth editing, and crisp audio. Even if the topic isn't groundbreaking, you're more likely to stay because it looks great. Take the time to improve your editing, use good equipment if possible, and focus on making your videos look and sound as good as they can. It makes a big difference. Leverage social media. Don't limit yourself to just YouTube. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter are amazing for getting more eyes on your videos. Post short clips or teasers from your content on these platforms. Use trending sounds or hashtags to reach a bigger audience. And don't forget to engage. Write a comment, ask questions, and interact with people. Building a community takes time. It pays off by boosting your views and keeping people coming back. Master the art of SEO, search engine optimization. Might sound technical, but it's actually pretty simple. Think of it as using magic words to help people find your videos. Use tools to find the best keywords related to your topic. Include them in your video title, description, and tags. This way, when people search for something, your video has a higher chance of showing up. It's like giving your video a shortcut to success. Outro success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but it's definitely possible if you stay consistent and keep improving. Editing is where your video truly comes to life. It's not just about cutting clips. It's about setting the right pace, adding transitions, and using effects wisely. Great editing can turn an average video into something unforgettable. Keep it clean and smooth. Don't overdo effects. And make sure everything flows naturally. Even a simple edit can stand out if it's done right. Always ask yourself, does this enhance the story, or is it just extra? The importance of thumbnails. Your thumbnail is what makes people click your video. Whether it's a short or a long video, a good thumbnail is super important. For example, if your short shows up in the feed, a cool thumbnail will make people stop and watch. For long videos, a great thumbnail can make viewers choose yours over others. So, put effort into it. It makes a big difference. Focus on learning, experimenting, and having fun with your content. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more advice. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.